Hey guys, this is Mike. I'm back and we're going to do those tests right now. So I'm going to do a couple things. The first thing we're going to use is a ukulele. And then I got a standard Fender Stratocaster and we're going to play the Strat. And then I also got an acoustic Mitchell I think it's a T331 electric acoustic. I'm going to plug that in. But so for this one, I'm going to put this in the line in and then we're going to go between acoustic and electric. So here is acoustic electric general settings. Everything is in the middle except for the treble is boosted probably 3/4 of the way. And then this is volume level at about 4. And reverb level is about 70 to 75%. So here you go. So that's a pregiated version and a strum version of the ukulele and the clean tone. So now I'm going to activate the electric part and we're going to see how that sounds. So as you can tell, it's got a brighter mid-range tone to the higher end when you engage the electric, and it just gives a nice tone altogether. I really like the way that sounds with the ukulele. I was looking at a Mark V acoustic AC 101 amp, and truthfully, I was going to spend about $800 on that thing, and I mean, I wasn't trying to pay full price, but anyway, in short, I found it for on sale used, a couple of them for about $450 to $550. And to be honest, it doesn't sound exactly like that because the reverb circuit on that thing is really great. But this reverb and the tone that you get, for what I paid, this is amazing to me. So I got another a cool amp to play it live, and I can either direct or mic it up. And this is exactly what I'll be using. So I really appreciate it. Thanks Blackstar for this great amplifier. It really is a cool ass. It brings a lot of value to the table for the price point. So I would rate this on 1 to 5 stars. This is definitely a 5-star amplifier. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and plug in a guitar. It's a standard Strat. I think it's either Mexican Strat or Korean, not sure, but I'm going to plug that in, and then we're going to listen to that. And I'm going to engage that with the distortion channel so you can hear how it sounds with an electric vibe. So here we go. Plugging this baby in, and we're still with the electric engaged, and so we're going to play some pretty chords. So that's rear position. Here's front position. Sorry, got a pick in there. Okay, now I'm going to engage the distortion channel. Gain halfway, volume at about 4. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and gain this up all the way and see what happens. Put it on 11. Give it a little more volume. So you can see the distortion sounds really good, especially when it's bumped up all the way to 8 or 9. And so it got a really good sound. And that's with the reverb engaged. Again, that's reverb. But watch me turn this thing off, the reverb completely. Listen how dry this So overall, man, I love the way this thing sounds. I know this is a little lengthy, but I wanted you to get an idea of the tonal qualities and different things you can get out of just using the internal, amplifier itself and dialing in. So anyway, there you go with a high-end distortion sound. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the acoustic in, just strum it a little bit just so you can hear the acoustic, and then end this video. But thank you very much if you check this out. And if you like this product review, I'd love to hear, you know, hey, maybe I got something else I could review. I got a audio recording equipment, microphones, and other stuff. But I'd be happy to do other promotional, or you know what I mean, videos, reviews of things. So this next thing here is a Mitchell acoustic, and this thing is pretty dang good. I just got this not too long ago too. But if you wanted to know more about this guitar, I can do that in a video too as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to go to the acoustic. So we got a real dark sound, but that's because I got bass all the way up. So I'm going to hit my controls all the way to just unity, I guess, or just, you know, normal. And so that's with bass all the way up. So now I'm turning the bass halfway. So I'm close to the amplifier, so there's a little feedback type stuff going on with the sound hole, but if you, here we go, should be a little better now. I'm going to add a little bright to the acoustic. So now I'm going to go ahead and engage the electric. Well, first let's add a little reverb to the acoustic. And I will also turn the gain down and turn the volume up, because we were at gain halfway. So I'm going to turn the gain quarter way and now volume halfway. A little bit more. This is about almost 75%. Okay, so now I'm going to gauge the electric circuit. Treble down a little bit, more like close to midway. Bass is about halfway. Mid on my amp. that's an acoustic demonstration of the acoustic tone, and I could hit the distortion channel of the overdrive, but I think you get a picture of it. It will feedback a little bit, but it should maintain okay with the acoustic guitar as long as you're not right in front of it. But anyway, that's the difference between the electric and the acoustic, and I prefer, for some reason with this acoustic, I definitely prefer the tone of the electric channel engaged on the amp. But thank you very much for checking out this video. Hope you like it, and if you want another review video, let me know. But this is the unboxing of the Blackstar Superfly with the Superfly pack. So this comes with the rechargeable battery, this comes with the actual bag, gig bag, and it comes with the charger, 2 chargers, I said the battery pack, and then the amplifier. But this is a great little amp for the value. I would definitely recommend it. It's also great for recording and perfect for small gigs if you want to take a pedal board and you want to just drive something but don't want to play direct. This thing actually has got it does really have enough power to get it on. So thank you very much for checking out this video and appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video or comment if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.